Hey everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to boost your bass audio settings on your Windows 11 PC. It's a quick and simple process and you'll notice the difference right away. To get started, open the search menu by clicking the search bar and typing Control Panel. Next, make sure you're in Category View. Look at the top right corner. If it says small icons or something else, switch it to category, then find hardware and sound in the list. Now here you can find the sound section and under it find and select manage audio devices. A new window will appear showing your audio devices. Look for your speakers, which may be labeled speakers or your device name. After selecting your speakers, click Properties. Go to the Enhancements tab. If it's available, check the box for Bass Boost to enable it, but as you can see, it is not available on my PC. If you don't see the Enhancements tab, your audio driver may not support it, but most modern ones do. Either way, click Apply to save the changes, then hit OK to close everything. Now play some music and listen. You should hear a noticeable boost in bass. And that's it. If this helped improve your audio, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you in the next one.